I discovered a secret niche that can help you make thousands of dollars per month. This niche is less competitive, which means a high success rate. The name of this niche is microscopic life in extreme environments. You will not find many videos like this on whole YouTube. Well, this seems interesting, but you have to put in some effort, and you will see the results. So I have divided the whole video into 5 easy steps. Starting with step 1, go ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me an interesting fact about microscopic life in extreme environments. Now we will also ask ChatGPT to generate 5 prompts of images related to this fact. Now we will need images related to our facts, right? So we will use these prompts one by one to generate images for this fact. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, and head to Leonardo AI, click on Create Account, and sign in with your Gmail. I already have an account in Leonardo AI, so I will simply log in, click on AI Image Generation, and paste your prompt in the text bar. From the left-hand side, select 9:16, and then select your AI model, and click on Generate. Here are our images. Like any image that you find realistic, click on the download button, and do the same process for all the prompts. Now comes the third step, where we will generate voiceovers for our video. For that, I will be using 11 Labs copy, the facts that we got from ChatGPT, and head over to 11 Labs for voiceover. Paste the fact in the box, select the voiceover character of your choice, and then click on Generate. Your voiceover will be generated within a few seconds, and then click on the download button at the bottom to download it. Now comes the most important step. We will animate our images and bring them to life. For this, we will use Runway ML Sign In. With your Gmail, click on the Start with Image option. Then select the first image that we generated and click on the Generate button. It will take a few seconds to generate our video, and here it is. Our image to video is ready. Do the same process for all the images one by one. Now comes the last step of editing our videos. For that, I will use CapCut. Go to CapCut. Click on Modify and choose 9:16 ratio, and import all the animated images and voiceover. Drag and drop them on the timeline, and adjust each clip according to the voiceover. Don't keep any clip longer than 3 seconds. Go to Animation, and choose the animation of your choice. Do the same for all the clips. To grab viewers' attention, we will use sound effects like click, pop, and whoosh. You can find them for free on Pixabay. Adjust each sound effect according to the clips. Now go to the text option, then click on Auto Captions, click on Generate Auto Captions on the screen. Select font and color as you like. It's very easy, you can do it. Now select all the captions at once and go to Animation. Then on Captions, select any animation that you like. And it's done finally. Our super amazing video is ready to watch. Let's see it then. One fascinating fact about microscopic life in extreme environments involves extremophiles, which are microorganisms that thrive in conditions that would be considered hostile to most life forms. One example is the bacterium Deinococcus radiodurans, often referred to as the Conan of bacteria. And the final and most important step of all: be patient and consistent no matter what. Just keep posting regularly and keep improving your videos, changing video styles. And if you have any other niche, you can also make your videos similar to these by following the same process. The only thing you have to do is just generate script and images related to your niche. And all the other steps will be the same as in the video. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find something helpful, do give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.